ready to unlock a world of possibilities on your Nintendo Switch. Today, we're diving into Installing Hekate, a powerful bootloader that opens the door to custom firmware. Let's get started. First, you'll need a few things: a Nintendo Switch, a computer, a USB-C cable, and an SD card. Head to the Hekate GitHub page, I've linked it in the description below, and download the latest release. Make sure to download the Hekate_CTCAR_version number zip file. Now, insert your Switch's SD card into your computer. It's best to use a dedicated SD card for this process. Extract the contents of the downloaded zip file. You should see folders and files like Bootloader, Hekate_Pliny, and Boot. Copy all of these files and folders directly to the root of your SD card. That means not inside any other folder. Next, prepare your Switch for recovery mode. Power off your Switch completely, then insert your jig into the right Joy-Con rail. This bridges the necessary pins for entering recovery mode, also known as RCM. Now, press and hold the volume up button, and then press the power button. Keep holding volume up until your computer recognizes the switch. On your computer, you'll need a program called TegrarSGUI. I've also linked this in the description. Install and open it in TegrarSGUI. Go to the Settings tab and install the app's drivers. If you haven't already, then, in the Payload tab, browse to the Hekate_care_version number bin file you extracted earlier and click Inject Payload. If everything worked correctly, your Switch screen should now display the Hekate bootloader menu. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Hekate. From here, you can explore various options, like launching custom firmware. Be sure to do your research on how to use these features safely. Remember, proceed at your own risk and enjoy the new possibilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Switch tutorials.